Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find desktop view options on MacBook, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So you have to click on the desktop with your pointer and middle finger at the same time, and this menu will pop up, and then you can see the last option is show view options, and then here you can see some settings. The first one is tag by, so you can select none or kind, the date last opened, the date added, and so on. After that, the sort by, here these options as well. After that, you can select the icon size, the grid spacing, after that the text size, then label position bottom or right, and you can choose between show items info, and you can select show icon preview, so you can turn this on and off. And this is how you can set up your desktop view. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.